Investors and shareholders of SKF. Today we're going to do the technical analysis of this stock, and due to the request by Samir, thank you very much for the positive review. I'm going to start with the content, and firstly I will show the conclusion for those who don't know and don't understand the intricacies of technical analysis. So I will just give you the conclusion directly. And then, if you're interested, I want to know how I came to the conclusion. You can continue watching the video and see the analysis for the long term, analysis for the short term period, and again, I will show you the conclusion. So the conclusion is that if you're an investor who is investing long term, you should buy the stock. If you're investing in short term, hold the stock and wait for the coming Monday and Tuesday. If it increases, buy the stock. If it decreases, sell the stock. So we are going to, I'll go to show you why I came to this conclusion. Firstly, we're looking at long term, where every candlestick is 1 week. As you see, I'm using MACD, RSI, ROC, and no sure thing, moving averages, and supporting and resistance line. So if we're looking at resistance, support line, it's really strong because it touched once, twice, and the third. And resistance line that it touched once, twice, it broke, but it decreased 3 and 4 and 5 times. All right, and we are looking at RSI. Now we will start with RSI. As you see that in 2008 it was oversold and it increased. It was oversold in 2011 and it increased, oversold 2014. As you see here, it was oversold and it increased. Interesting fact that it was overbought. The MACD crossed, no sure thing crossed, so it was a clear sign that the company would decrease to the support line. But it was the past. Now we're looking at the present. As you see that MACD hasn't crossed yet, and I hope it will cross and head upward. Nevertheless, we have histogram that shows that it's heading north. RSI shows that it was oversold. So it was oversold and it touched support line. So it was a perfect time to invest into the company. And ROC doesn't show that much, as well as no sure thing. So I reckon in long term that it will increase to 200 and it will touch the resistance line. The reason why that it has been in the consolidation zone for 10 years, as you see here, in this consolidation zone for 10 years. So let's look at the short-term analysis. As you see that MACD has crossed and heading upwards. RSI is neutral because it was oversold. Now it is not oversold, not overbought, so it's neutral. ROC is positive because it's showing it's in positive trend, the graph of the company, and the no sure thing that works almost in a similar way as MACD, it crossed and heading upwards. So 3 indicators are positive and 1 indicator is neutral. Why I told you to hold the stock, I will tell you. It will look a little bit more closer. It's a little bit tricky situation now because as you see it is a resistance line and support line. RSI shows that it is overbought. It will look on the hourly basis, and a very strong formation has been established, and it is Gartley pattern formation. It's really strong formation, and that indicates that the stock price will decrease and touch the support line. All right, why I told you hold? Because it seems that it broke the resistance line. It seems so. If it is so, and on Monday and Tuesday it will increase, if it increases, it means that it clearly broke the resistance line and it will head north significantly. If it doesn't and goes below the resistance line, it means that it couldn't break it and it will head south to the support line. So wait, hold the stock, wait for Monday, for the coming Monday and Tuesday, and we will see how it will work out. So this is my conclusion again. If you're investing in long term, buy the stock. If you're investing in short term, hold the stock and wait for the coming Monday and Tuesday. If it increases, buy the stock. If it decreases, sell the stock. Thank you very much for the watching. Follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, and I will post more analysis, and of course comment. And if you are interested in some stocks, I can analyze them and publish on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for everything. Bye.